quality assurance of food. So it should be, by now it should be clear, is this quality assurance or this is quality assurance? It should be clear that the difference is in the way we do our work. One is about prevention, another is about detections. Okay, but today I'm going to invite my friend, Mr. Andrew, all the way from United States, and he will be giving you a lecture on quality assurance. Okay, so pay your attention to Andrew. Bye, guys.
Welcome to the course Quality Management of Food. We will be discussing about quality assurance, or QA. In a nutshell, QA describes and manages the activities of quality control, quality evaluation, quality audits, and regulatory aspects of a food processing system. QA department functions involve establishing and managing the company's quality organizations, designing operating procedures, discussing the quality direction with top management, introducing them to the fundamentals of quality, and making certain there is consistency in management pronouncements. At the most basic, QA program consists of an in-house consulting organization. It evaluates the quality program and gives advice, suggestions, and instructions for its improvement. QA is more of an advisory function, rather than a police function. It is not responsible for the quality program, it does not operate the system, and it does not do quality control. QA may audit the system and provide assistance in making improvements, but the planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling of the quality program are in the hands of production management. A divisional QC staff promotes quality in the division and assists and consults with production as required. The responsibility for the quality of divisional products rests directly with production. The minimum requirement of a QA department is for food processors to apply good sanitation practices, which include the design and layout of the premises, provision of adequate facilities, and programs for cleaning and sanitation, and in Codex General Principles of Food Hygiene of the United Nations. Additional QA programs, such as hazard analysis and critical control point, CCP, audits of several areas of manufacturing, of sanitation, and of the product in the market are also the responsibilities of a QA department. QA programs enable the application and verification of control measures intended to assure the quality and safety of food. They are required, at each step in the food production chain, to ensure safe food and to show compliance with regulatory and customer requirements. The function of QA department is never ending. First, it is to guarantee that the consumer receives what he desires, and that the company makes the profit it deserves. Second, it is to provide confidence for management and the consumer. And finally, it is to maintain monitoring activities on the available growing literature on concepts, techniques, and programs related to quality issues, to select the best ideas and bring them to management's attention. It is through QA functions that the upper management is able to monitor, at all times and through all stages of manufacturing, the level of quality of its product, as well as keeping in line with industry trends. To perform QA job function, you need to be competent and knowledgeable in the various aspects of the food industry, including regulatory, processing, sanitation, safety, and human relations. Your job scope is wide. You are the in-house consultant, the advisors, and the trainers for the company. You are also to help the production of quality products through audits, and make recommendations for improvements, and to provide assistance in making such improvements. Typically, you will need a QA program. This program is built around three fundamental functions. A quality control program, or QC, is associated with the production line. This program is established around a processing operation to regulate a resulting product by some standard. B quality evaluation. This is not QC. The main function is to describe or appraise the worth of a product. Quality evaluation generally means taking a measurement of the product to the QC laboratory to evaluate the performance of incoming materials, in-processed products, or finished products. The finished product can be evaluated as offered in the market, ready for the consumer. C quality audits program. Over time, it is necessary to verify or examine a product, or manufacturing process. These can be classified as manufacturing quality audits, sanitation or GMP audits, CCP audits, and product quality audits. A quality audit is a fundamental part of a QA program. It allows for quality verification of a product during manufacture, in the warehouse or distribution system, and in the market to assess performance over time or for comparison to competitor brands. Results from an audit becomes a key element in a quality-oriented operation. The errors reported can be corrected and process modifications suggested. This way, the QA department contributes to a higher operation efficiency and higher productivity.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Andrew. So I'm going to finish off the lecture today by introducing you to grandma. You all have grandma? Well, some of you are lucky. This is a grandma. So grandma has 4 sons. They're all married. Yeah. So grandma has 4 sons. They're all married. They have 4. So she actually has 4 daughters-in-laws. So grandma's job is to plan visits to her sons' houses and then check and verify, making sure her sons are well fed and taken care of. She advises the daughters-in-laws and train daughters-in-laws and make recommendations for improvements. So grandma is our quality assurance guys. But years ago, probably 30 years ago, she was one of the QC girls assisting the production guys. Okay, so I hope you get it. What is it quality assurance all about? So in our course, we are really keen to quality assurance of food. Hopefully one day you will become a quality assurance manager. It's a very tough job, but it's very rewarding. All right, guys. So thank you. Take care and happy learning.